Kajing ilang jangka kunhun menteri ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakasing pelai jangka tayo kala ai kajing Mynjur ban pentrekam ya ka Meghalaya Amnesty scheme ban yarap iki Nongsiew Khajna bagin Siew Pynkhuid no ya broki Khajna basa ateng sya ke Sorkar jela. Bat kala Mynjur ru ban kentiu ke song jing yarap iki bayap na kajing sya abat ak boring elektrik ke banlong R.san lak tengka. Katkum gajing pentip jangka Sorkar jela ki dan pras pak sangut ki Nongsiew Khajna ik baklam Siew ka Khajna cak Sorkar menta labon bon snem. Bali itu batangga Khajna beri Siew di kini kibriu kapisa kalakot cis pak san puar kelur tengka. Kum gajing plelat ki Nongsiew Khajna bakin Siew Pynkhuid no ebroki Khajna ke Sorkar kala syem ke senjam ban pentrekam da ke Meghalaya Amnesty scheme ban map no laipo nak cis pak nak Khajna bagi di Siew. Ke Sorkar kala aipon nru benai kini Nongsiew Khajna bakin Siew Pynkhuid no ebroki Khajna lem kum ta ke Sorkar kan syem da ke lenti ke beteng ban pengat yaki hapo ki kendon jangkaan.
People who have tax dues towards the state government will be given an amnesty scheme for a period of 6 months to be able to pay the amount that is due, failing which different measures, legal and different prosecutions as per law will be taken against all these people who are evading taxes. But a 6-month window time will be given to them with some incentive to ensure that or give them the opportunity to pay the amount that is due to the state government. And if you look at our numbers also, most of the traders who have taxes below, who have a turnover below 20 lakhs, hardly account for 3, 4 to 5% of the entire business that's going in the state. That aside, this amnesty scheme is completely different. It is talking about all the tax evaders, all the tax defaulters who have not been paying their taxes for the past 10, 15, 20, 30 years. And their tax as well as their default payment and their interest and surcharges have been piling up. And government has not been able to get it out from them. And they also have not come forward. This is an opportunity to these tax defaulters to come forward, get a 30% discount on the amount that is due, and a win-win situation will be there where they can also be clean from the evasion prosecution and the state government also can recover these default taxes. So this is a one-time scheme that's coming up which will be valid for 6 months. So this is nothing to do really with the GST registration and council, it's to do with the past taxes.
Kakenhun Menteri Kelawan Raru ya kamat etai halor kasong jing erap pisa syakilong yang gibamat ke jing do no kibayet bathon na ke jing syabat boarding elektrik. Kesorkar Kelawan Ra ke kamat hadian jokarai ban kentio hado sispa sya ya kasong jing erap syakilong yang gibamat ya ke jing julor ki gisem ba ke jing di jing do na ke jing jaslei bat kiwi-kiwi. Namarkan ni ke Sorkar kelarai bahkan kentio no ya kesong jengerap ya kebayap nak jeng syabat boarding elektrik nak silak tengka syaka R.san lak tengka. Ka National Games arhajar arpu aru kedai kewai kamat ke Belawan Rak banyata ya kena kejing elang jangka kunhun menteri ban syong bishar ya kejing telun ki kam ki jam bedai ba kejing penkreak jangka jela ban penelong ya kena kelumpung yel akai ke bahek do jangka ri. Halor kini kakam ke Sorkar kelasya mekarai ban tau no artli ki single window committee ke ban ajing Mynjur halor ki project ke balong palat sanpau kelur tengka kenang bakakam kan telun state.
Regarding the infrastructure projects, mega infrastructure projects for the national games, we felt that because the necessary technical and financial approvals take extra time sometimes, we felt that single window committees when it comes to financial issues, administrative issues, and technical issues, 2 separate committees were created. One to be headed by the Secretary PWD and all the other concerned engineering divisions will be there. And the member secretary will be the sports department engineer. And in the administrative approval, the chief secretary will be the chairman, and all the other concerned departments will also be part of this. This will allow quick approval and necessary administrative and technical approval for the mega projects that are worth more than 50 crores.
Kumjuru kakenhun menteri akan ngasni kelekran ru halor kajing penterekam ya ka bha thungkam basau nak sispa ya gibriu badan jing duna hagid khot met ikitanat Sorkar boper ka balongkat kum ko hukum jaka yang syari Supreme Court bat halor kan ni kebenta ke Sorkar ke Shimrai ban pentrekam no daga roster system haga ban pentrekam ek bha thungkam ye gibriu badan jingdunai de khotmet kabomut ba ke Sorkar kan pentikna bahaman laki arp santli ki kam ki balak ke Sorkar kan mangkerpang ka wei ka kam na ke benta ke badan jingdunai ki de khotmet nalor kani ke Sorkar kala Mynjur ban penkala ya ke service rules jong ketenat legal and metrology badru igijing thungkam yo Colonel Balashong Thaj UMM Singh kom Uzila Sainik Welfare Officer Katura.